Hi team, thanks for joining. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at Introduction to AWS SageMaker on a very high level. So to get started, SageMaker is a cloud-based machine learning platform. You can build, train, and deploy machine learning models. It comes with various ML packages and supports scikit-learn, TensorFlow, SparkML. You can obviously come and create your Jupyter instance notebooks. Um, if you're new to this, you can just come in, log on to Amazon SageMaker, and get a Jupyter notebook created less than 5 minutes. That is how quick, when compared to EC2 instance of method of creating a Jupyter notebook, which in itself takes a lot of time. From a SageMaker algorithm standpoint, Amazon SageMaker can be used for various algorithms such as reinforcement learning um, such as Markov decision process. It can be used for deep learning frameworks as well. From a gradient boosting algorithm standpoint, you can use it for XGBoost, AdaBoost, CatBoost as part of classification and regression for supervised learning. Apart from that, from a clustering and unsupervised learning, you can also use random cut forest. From a classification and summarization, you can use neural topic model or NTP. Uh, it also comes with the built-in NLP as well. We will take a look at that, some of the get started pages on Amazon SageMaker. Apart from this, we also have some of the things that which we can use for Amazon SageMaker. Some things like Amazon SageMaker Canvas. It is a visual, no-code ML capability for non-developers. You can build machine learning models, generate business predictions without writing code or requiring ML expertise, which is great. SageMaker Studio is a place wherein data scientists use to create and manage EMR clusters and Spark job directly, right? Amazon SageMaker Studio Lab is a free service to experiment with ML. You do not need to have an AWS account. You don't have to provide a credit card information, right? And you don't have to know your cloud configuration knowledge as well, which is awesome. All right, now just quickly look at the whole UI of Amazon SageMaker. Please log on to your AWS marketplace, search for Amazon SageMaker. Once you do that, and this is how the look and feel of Amazon SageMaker is. You can get started, right? It has information about what I just mentioned about Amazon SageMaker Canvas, Amazon SageMaker Studio Lab, and also SageMaker Studio, right? First to get started, you have to obviously, you can create a role and set up a SageMaker domain. We will look at this in the next tutorials, how you can create a SageMaker domain, and then from there you can obviously go ahead and create your own Jupyter notebooks and go from there. All right. When you set up a SageMaker domain, some of the things like your IAM, your IAM authentication, SageMaker Canvas, Studio notebooks, all that gets created for you by the SageMaker itself, and the whole process takes less than 5 minutes to get started with. Um, some of the things, like, as I mentioned, Studio is a place where you can come and you manage your EMR clusters and Spark jobs directly. Studio Lab it's in one place where it's a free service for you to experiment with ML. No need to create an AWS account, and you can get started with that. All right, the next one we have is the Canvas. As I mentioned, it's a visual. It's a no-code ML capability for non-developers, right? You can come in, you build your machine learning models without writing code. Again, very exciting for sure, right? You can come in and get started right away. Um, all right, just also on a very high level, if you look at it, there's also jumpstart tutorials as well. You can come in and click some of these foundation models, computer vision models, NLPs as well. And it gives information about, you can look at the model, look at the GitHub, and also go ahead and also create those. Or you can open the notebook in the studio and go ahead and play with it. Obviously, we can't do a whole lot of that because we have not created a SageMaker domain, which we will do that in our next tutorial. Okay, that's all that I have for this tutorial. Thank you for joining. Thank you for looking at this. Please go ahead and drop in any comments, any notes, such. I will be happy to answer that. Thank you.